Today, we've got some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. If you're a fan of wireless earbuds or just a tech enthusiast, you're going to love this. So let's dive right in. Next week, Samsung is expected to unveil two brand new wireless earbuds, the Galaxy Buds 3 and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. But guess what? We don't have to wait until the official launch to find out their prices because a new leak has already revealed them for the South Korean market. According to a screenshot shared by the tipster Sleep Kuma, the Galaxy Buds 3 will be priced at carefully $203,700, which is about $148, and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will cost carefully $296,700, roughly $250. This pricing is quite similar to what we saw with the Galaxy Buds 2 and Galaxy Buds 2 Pro when they were launched. This is great news because it means Samsung is keeping the prices steady, making these new earbuds an attractive option for both new buyers and those looking to upgrade. The leaked image also gives us a sneak peek at the model numbers and designs of these new earbuds. The Galaxy Buds 3, identified by the model number SMR530, will come in black and white colors. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, with the model number SMR630, is shown in a sleek white design. Both of these models look fantastic and have a premium feel to them. But that's not all. The designs have been significantly revamped compared to their predecessors. The Galaxy Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro now feature stems similar to the AirPods and AirPods Pro. This is a big design shift and could mean better call quality and microphone placement. So what can we expect from the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro in terms of features? Well, there have been several leaks and rumors over the past few weeks, and it looks like Samsung has packed these earbuds with some impressive tech. Firstly, both the Galaxy Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro are expected to feature a higher quality wireless codec with 24-bit 96 kHz audio transmission. This means you can look forward to superior sound quality. Improved active noise cancellation, or ANC, is another big highlight. If you're someone who likes to tune out the world and immerse yourself in music, the improved ANC will be a game changer. Battery life is always a concern with wireless earbuds, but Samsung has you covered. The new Galaxy Buds 3 series is rumored to have a longer battery life, so you can enjoy your music, podcasts, and calls without constantly worrying about recharging. Moreover, Samsung has reportedly worked on improving the gestures and durability of these earbuds, so you can expect more intuitive controls and a sturdier build that can withstand everyday use. Overall, it looks like the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are shaping up to be fantastic additions to Samsung's lineup of wireless earbuds. So, to sum it all up, the leaked prices for the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are very reasonable, keeping them competitive in the market. With enhanced features like high-quality audio, improved ANC, longer battery life, and better durability, these earbuds are definitely worth keeping an eye on. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.